guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a long time since I sat down in front of the camera and spoke to you guys. I was kind of MIA for a while, and that is because of a reason. I moved to a new house by the end of December, so that is why I wasn't able to upload any videos or even shoot any content for you all. Also, the video quality might be different because I've upgraded to a better camera. I really cannot wait to shoot more content and post it on YouTube as well as Instagram. Oh yes, by the way, wish you a very happy new year. I couldn't really film any new year content. So yeah, this is me wishing you all a very happy new year. We're still in January, so I think it is still okay to wish you all. I intend to post a lot of content this year, and also I'm going to reduce a lot of my sponsorships. From the past 6 months, it was extremely stressful and hectic with the move as well as creating content, and yes, I took up a lot of sponsorships and it was a lot of stress for me to finish everything on time, and they have a certain deadline and everything. So I'm just going to limit my sponsorship to a certain amount, to a very minimal amount to be precise. And yeah, rest of the content will be my own content or whatever you guys request me to create for my channel. So your suggestions are always welcome. Please do leave them in the comment section. I will definitely consider them and create if I find to be fit. As you saw from the title, this video is all about the empty house tour. We already moved into our new house, and this is where I'm filming. This is a blank little wall that I found for the time being just to film content, but I have a lot of things to show you guys in this new house. The interior and everything is all done, but I'm still setting up the new house, so home tour will take up a lot of time, I guess, because it's extremely difficult to put together a home. It is kind of set but not completely, so you'll have to wait for that. And we bought this house I think in August last year, 2022, and we are extremely proud of it. I've never even thought that I would be able to buy a house. So this is huge for us, and with the house comes many responsibilities, so we are ready to take it up and take it forward. When I personally got to see this house for the first time, it immediately clicked for me. I really loved how the entire house was. It was extremely ventilated and very bright as well, which really gravitated me towards buying this house. Without you guys' support, this wouldn't have been possible. So I'm really grateful to every single one of you who have supported my channel and supported me throughout my journey. And please do continue showing your love and support towards my channel. So yeah, without wasting any more time, if you're here to watch the empty house tour, then please do keep on watching. So this is going to be the living area. There are stuff kept here which will be removed very soon, but it's a decent sized living area. We have a window right there, and here is a dining area which is also a pretty decent size, and it's very bright and lit here, which I absolutely liked about this particular house. That's why we were actually gravitated towards this house, and we have a very beautiful and big size balcony. This is how the balcony is. Again, a pretty decent size. Here is the dining area with a different view, with a well lit situation going on. This is going to be the kitchen. We are already broken the kitchen wall because I'm planning to do a breakfast counter right here. So they've already started the work. That's why we have this situation right here. But the kitchen is kind of small, but that's okay. We're going to work with what we have right now. This is actually the guest room right opposite the kitchen, and again it's a pretty decent size. It's not very small, it's not very big, and we have a huge space here for a wardrobe unit to be built, and we have an attached bathroom and toilet right here. It's pretty dark right now because we don't have any lights or fans installed in this house. So yeah, that's why it's kind of dark. And we have a really nice passage, which I absolutely loved about this house. We have the living area. I'm going to plan a setup right here near the passage. And when you go through the passage, we have a common bathroom again right here. And this is actually going to be my studio room. Again, it's a decent sized room, not very small, not too big. And again, we have a lot of ventilation and light happening because of the window situation. And we have a huge wardrobe space right here. I'm planning a lot of stuff for this room, so I'm very excited for this particular room. And then right adjacent to my studio room is the master bedroom. And I love the master bedroom as well. It's very spacious and well lit and well ventilated. And the special thing about the master bedroom is that we have a huge balcony right here as well. So we can probably hang out in the evening or something. Kind of a very similar size balcony to that of the living room balcony. That's how big the master bedroom is. And of course we have a bathroom attached to the master bedroom as well, which is pretty big and decent size. And here is the wardrobe area. Again, we are planning for a huge wardrobe setup. So yeah, I'm really excited for everything to come together. So that was our empty house tour. I will definitely show you guys how the entire house looks like once it's completely done. So yeah, thank you for watching. So that was it. That was the empty house tour. Like I mentioned in the intro of the video, the home tour will take up a couple of months, I think, to set up the entire house. That's gonna take a while, so be patient for that. But I'll definitely post whenever the house is ready and I feel like I can show it to you guys. I plan to create a lot of content for you all this year. You can leave your suggestions in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, make sure to hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!